My love, my desire, my passion for living. I see you like the icon of nature. Something I don't want to damage, don't want to cause corruption or pollution. I want that fresh breeze on your face with the wind moving your hair when you're walking, smelling that air all around you. I see you, my love, my desire, the way life should be appreciated. Oh, with love, with passion. So, my love, how I see you, like the icon of nature, with those red lips following you, how you cook your meal for the table. I'm in love with the sweet air you're giving me, acknowledgement to see the life. My love, my treasure, my smile, my appreciation. I truly see the life like love should, like the icon of nature. Love should be special, a way it'll reach you into my heart, and I will touch yours. I want to be here forever in your arms, enjoying every moment like we should, like the icon of nature. You are like a desire, just fade away from this figure, this pollution, this corruption, this stitching. No way. I want to see true beauty. You desire, you breathe with your very lungs. You know how I feel about you when you know the icon of nature. You have taken my breath away, and I want to see it. I want to experience this love of taking this breath away from this corruption, this pollution. For you show me on the dinner table the icon of nature. When we sleep together, it's a love I don't want to forget. For the long and for the short, I want to be there like history has been scrolled into my mind and heart. Like I open the keys any moment, unlock that door for you. I would reach the icon of nature to breathe for you, my love. It's an honor I want forever, like the four kinds. I want to reach the unconditional love for you, my love.